Hey everyone, this is part 41. Now, this one, we can start from the right side, we can start from the front, we can start from the top. And so it's really personal preference. I'm going to start from the top. So from the top, I can see that I have 5 inches here and I have 6 inches here. So this is a square, this is a square. We know that because this is 1 inch right there, and we have 4 inches left from that. And we have 4 inches here. So that is a square. We have 4 by 4. And then since we have 1 inch on either side, then that means that this is a 2 inch square. And then I'm going to put these lines right here. I will extrude the base, and then I will probably extrude this back wall. When I extrude the back wall, I will extrude the entire back wall. And then I will go in from the front and sketch this triangle. And when I extrude this, I'm going to extrude it twice. So I'll extrude this one first, and then I will extrude the second one with an offset. So let's get started. And I said that I was going to start from the top. And I am going to do a center point rectangle. Really doesn't matter, but um let's see. So it's 5 by 6 and then 4 by 4, 2 by 2. Let's see if I remember that. Now, this square is going to be a corner rectangle. Remember that even though it's a square, it's not going to be horizontally symmetric. All right, and I do need that reference line for symmetry. So let me put in some more dimensions. Now, those two will have the same dimension. And now I'm going to make this symmetric. And let's see, I'm missing a horizontal reference. So these two should be the same. All right, and I need a line here. And I'm going to dimension that. And I'm just going to mirror that. And everything is black. So I'm going to start my extrusions. And let's see. So the base gets extruded by 1 inch, and then this back wall gets extruded by 5 inches, with the exception of that center part right there that gets extruded by 4 inches. Yes. Okay. That gets extruded by 5, and then that part gets extruded by 4. Turn my sketch off. Okay, so let's verify. We can show our measurement tool. So that's 5 inches. That is 5 inches, 6 inches, That extrusion right there is 1 inch. Okay, so we're doing good. Now what I want to do, I'm going to draw a sketch here. And recall that we said that we are going to just sketch out that triangle. So all I really need to do is draw a line straight down. So remember, I need to project those lines using that tool. And I'm going to draw that straight line, extrude by 1 inch, and then do another extrusion with an offset. So sketch there. Here is my projection tool. I'm going to just project all of that. And we're going to go point to point, remember? And when I go to isometric view, we can see what I'm doing. All right, so I'm going to extrude. Now this is going in the wrong direction. So when I place it in the correct direction, make sure you're doing an add and not new. Okay, so we have that. When I show my sketch again, then I can extrude. And this time I have an offset. So my offset is going to be 6 inches, right? So that means that my sketch will start here. So I have my starting offset at 6 inches. Remember that your offset needs to be on the other side. So we need to change the direction of that arrow. And why is it not correct? There we go. Ms. Cole, please call extension 81002. I apologize for the announcements. I can't do anything about that. But this is how this should look. But remember, we're doing an addition. And let me turn my sketches off. I'm going to assign my material. Remember, aluminum 1060. And let's check our mass properties, 2.832 kilograms. And we can show our dimensions. This is what you should be turning in. Okay, if there are any questions about anything, please let me know.